Welcome to day 12 to learn how to do realistic drawing with logo art. Now, how was this artist able to achieve this super realistic drawing? Now, he used just some few steps, some few simple methods to achieve this result. I'm about to show you the secret right here. Now, the first thing he did is to build his layers. As you can see, you need to build your layers very well as an artist. I always preach about this. You need to learn how to build your layers. Now, this artist built his layers very well. Then the second step is to use his pencil to create textures on the skin. And if you're a beginner, I don't know the type of pencil to use, I'll recommend H or HB pencil. Okay, it depends on the drawing. H or HB pencil used to create your dots on the skin. Now, the third thing he did is to use his eraser pencil. Use his eraser pencil to do what? To shade at the size of the dot. Do you understand? After that, he blended it a bit with his makeup brush. Then he came back again with his white charcoal pencil. I'll recommend General charcoal pencil. Okay, he came back to use it to enhance the highlights that he created earlier with the eraser pencil. Do you understand? That's what he did. So when he finished using his white charcoal pencil, he came back again with his charcoal pencil. Or if you, in this case, your pencil, to enhance the darkness, the shadows. Do you understand? That's the only method you use to achieve this result. And the last part, which was very interesting, okay, when you look at this particular part that the arrow is pointing at, okay, when you look at this particular part, it fits inside. Okay, he can't use his highlight, white charcoal pencil or eraser pencil to achieve the details in that portion. So he went in for kneaded eraser. You know, kneaded eraser doesn't scoop too much when you need to create details. That's what he used to create this portion. So these are the secrets. If you like this video, just type draw in the comment section. I'll be bringing you this every single day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.